The Atlanta Beltline has never had so many active design and construction projects progressing simultaneously in the history of the project. We've opened an additional 1.5 miles of mainline trail at the West Side Trail and the first section of the Northwest Trail. Along the 22-mile loop, 4.7 miles of trail is currently under construction, with 2 miles expected to be completed before the end of the year. The Ponce de Leon streetscape and access point is almost complete. Later this month, the guardrail installation is slated to be installed along the ramp and the top of the walls at the Beltline level, allowing the ramp to be open to the public. This project provides a ramp connection between East Side Trail and Ponce de Leon Avenue. In late June, after more than 2 years of construction, another 1.2-mile segment of the West Side Trail was open to the public. This project included 5 bridges totaling almost half a mile of elevated trail. The West Side Trail is now the longest continuous segment of the Beltline, with 6.7 miles of paved trails linking Pittsburgh Yards in southwest Atlanta to Huff Road in Blandtown. Beltline users can also travel 7.2 miles from the terminus of the West Side Beltline connector to Pittsburgh Yards. Since breaking ground in April, Anoda Park construction is well underway with an expected completion in late spring or early summer of next year. Over the past few months, clearing and grading activities were in progress, as well as utility work and the demolition of a structure on site to make way for green space. The project will transform the existing 0.3-acre play lot into an 8-acre recreational destination. The park will serve as a gateway to the historic Westview neighborhood and connect to the West End along the Atlanta Beltline West Side and Southwest Trails. Northwest Trail Segment 1 has completed several major milestones this month. On the north side of the creek, elevated trail is being constructed, rising into the tree canopy above the 100-year floodplain. To the south, where the trail weaves through the Peachtree Park apartment complex, trail concrete installation is well underway. This project provides new connectivity between Kinsey Court and with sidewalks a safe connection all the way to Peachtree Street near Fresh Market. Construction of this project is expected to be complete in 2026. During the past few months, the intersection of Elaine and Ellsworth has been completed, as well as the concrete trail along Elaine Avenue and from Ellsworth to Fairmont. Lights and cameras are being installed, as well as stainless steel handrails and other finishing touches. This segment of trail is expected to be open for use this fall, which provides a connection from the West Side Trail on Marietta all the way to English Street. There has been significant progress on South Side Trail 4 and 5 over the past 3 months, and we expect this project to be opened in late December or early January. New bridges at Ormwood and United are nearing completion. The United Avenue Bridge concrete is complete, as well as the final railings. Significant grading and retaining wall work has been completed at the Ormwood Avenue Bridge, allowing the final steel structure to be set for the bridge. The structure supporting the curved United Avenue ramp is also complete, along with the ramp system to access Del Mar. Concrete has been poured for the trail between Boulevard and United, with lighting and camera installation well underway. Southside Trail 2 and 3, at almost 2 miles, make up the longest segments under construction and will connect from just west of the I-75 overpass to Boulevard. Work during the past quarter includes the installation of infrastructure to manage stormwater, environmental soil remediation, grading, retaining wall construction, and the start of access points east of Pryor and Hill Street. Within 6 months, we are expecting most of the concrete trail to be poured, and the team is pushing to open this segment of trail by spring 2026. In the next 6 months, we expect to release our largest and most complicated projects to move into the construction phase of work, including Northwest Trail segments 4A and 3B, and Northeast Trail segment 3. These projects have many long-span bridges traversing over railroads and roads and are being released first due to their long schedules. We expect to have most of the Northwest Corridor under construction before the end of 2026. Looking ahead, we're on track to have more than 80% of the mainline trail completed by the end of this year, and we'll have almost all of the Northwest Trail as well as the Northeast Trail Segment 3 under construction before the end of 2026. Along with other projects slated to improve the existing corridor connections.